Hello everyone, and thank you so much for joining me today. I have a super quick and easy project for you. You can actually mass make these and use them in your journals. They are little whimsical houses made out of either book page or music paper or whatever it is that you want to use. And they are folded in such a way that there's a little pocket inside. You can use these on your journal pages just as a little decoration and only glue down two sides and use it as a tuck as well as a little pocket. You can also decorate the edge of your page with these and let them hang outside of the edge of the paper, which I think is very cute. And then you can tuck things in there and again use the little pocket. All right, so let me show you how to make these. I actually colored mine in. You don't have to. You can just leave the book page as it is. You just make a bunch of them, leave them as is, and color them in later to go with it, whatever journal you're going to use them in. So we need to start. I'm going to use book page for this demonstration. Okay. And we want to cut the paper into 2-inch strips. But before we do that, especially if you're going to be using markers or paint to color in your little houses, you want to cover your book page with a good layer of gesso so that you have a nice surface to draw and paint on. All right, I'm going to cut off these little side parts. And we want to cut strips that are 2 inches wide. All right. And we want them to be 4 3/4 inches long. And you can use these for something else. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is find your little center up here and then fold your sides down to meet in the middle, like this. Okay, and then make a little mark at the base of the roof, right here and right here. Okay, so you can see that. Now take something, I'm just using a ruler and eyeballing where the center is. You want about 1/4 inch on either side, and we're going to remove that part. So just draw a line to go by when you're cutting. All right, so you have a shape that looks like this. So your paper is going to be, again, 4 3/4 inches long. This top part is 2 inches because we cut our strips out at 2 inches. You're going to fold the corners down to meet in the middle. You're going to take your bottom edge and you're going to tuck it under the roof, and it'll stop on its own. And once it stops, you just want to fold that. Okay. Then we're going to glue. Put some glue along this bottom part. Fold it up. Press it down. And then put some glue on your roof. there you have it. Got your little pocket in here. And you can draw on there if you want to, or just leave it like it is. Put a sticker on it, a flower, anything you want to do. All right, let's make one more. Fold it down to meet in the middle. And this paper is a little bit on the fragile side. Make a mark where your roof line is. Open it up. Use a ruler or whatever you wish. And eyeball the center. You want to try to take out equal amounts on either side. If it's not super equal, don't worry about it. It's just paper. Cut those little side parts off. Take your bottom, fold it up and tuck it under the roof until it stops. And then fold it. Glue the bottom down. Glue your roof. And there you go, just easy as that. Got your little pocket. And you can decorate these any way you want. You don't have to decorate them like I did. Leave them alone. Put a little ink around the outside edges. Put these back up here for you to see. Okay. So I think let's just dress this a little bit and see what that looks like. If your paper is super, super thin, you might want to double up the pages and glue them together to give you a thicker, more sturdy surface. The backs of these are not going to be shown, so I don't know why I'm inking it. And we'll just keep going with it. All right, I think that looks cute. Another thing that you could do if you don't want to double up on your book pages, since this is going to have things going in and out, before you glue the bottom part down, you might want to put some washi tape or something just to reinforce those edges on both sides. All right, let me see if I can find a couple of little stickers and we'll see what that looks like. Okay, I didn't seem to have any stickers that were small enough, so I pulled out some of my rub-ons from 49 Market. This one is called Plum Grove. So let's cut out something that will fit. Let's see, let's try to do that. All right. Well, I seem to have lost my little rubbing stick. We'll use this. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. All right, so let's put these flowers on. Get as much of it on there as I can. That looks fantastic. Now let's try one more. I have this little butterfly here. I don't know if I can squeeze this flower on or not. Actually, let me put the flower on first. Sorry guys, I'm thinking out loud. Okay. This rub-on doesn't seem to want to stick to this paper. Oh my goodness. You know, I have heard of this happening in some of these super old book pages. The rub-ons don't want to stick to them. But we're getting there. Trim that little piece off. So this is really cute. We could put maybe put a little word or something or label on the bottom of this. Yeah, that's stuck down. If I had put gesso over top of the book page, the transfers might have gone on a little bit easier, but I think they are really cute. So there you have it, guys. A couple of options on making one of these. So just to recap, we're going to cut out a piece of paper that looks like this. We're going to start with a 2-inch strip. Okay. Then we're going to cut out about 1/4 of an inch on each side. And the whole strip is going to be 4.75 inches tall from top to bottom, okay? Going to fold the top end, the 2-inch wide side end to meet in the middle. Take the bottom and tuck it in under the roof line until it stops, and then pinch the fold. Run a bead of glue along the bottom, stick it down, glue your roof line, press it in, and decorate however you wish, okay? So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you'll give it a try. These are super fun to make. If you just need a quick project that's not difficult, these are great. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. And again, I thank you so very much for watching. And thank you to all my new subscribers. Welcome, and I hope you will enjoy future videos with us. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.